Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to off on this particular LED using Wi-Fi. You can see it here. So you can see it here. So when I am going to turn off, LED is going to be turned off. If I am going to turn on, see. So we will learn how to write the code for this particular experiment. So this experiment is done with the help of again ESP8266. This is our Lolin NodeMCU V3. So you can see it here. So what I have done it, I have taken the D2 port and the ground pin. It is attached here. Now the main code program is here. So I hope all of you are aware to how to use this NodeMCU. Those who don't know, please see the previous experiment. So in this experiment, what I have done it, so we have to define the Wi-Fi. So this is my Wi-Fi program. Now this is my name of my Wi-Fi. So you can say this is my Wi-Fi and this is my Wi-Fi password. So you have to change this Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. Now this D2 I have used as the pin. So this pin is my output pin. So we have defined this output pin here. So always remember, this is your NodeMCU. Whenever we have to write any pin number, we have to define as a D1, D2, D3, not simple 1, 2 and 3. So we have defined it D2. Now so this is the main program. I have defined whatever data you are going to give input. So this is we have defined for the HTTP client. So when you open this ID, then you will see this red color, green color on this screen, and this turn on, turn off button on the screen. So you can see it here. So request.index of LED off, then it will send logic high. So this ESP module actually works in the reverse logic. So when we are saying the high, it will be off. When we will send low, it will be on. So now, so what we will do it? Again compile the file, then first verify the file, then upload the file. So again it will take a little longer time, since you are aware of that one. So we can see data has been compiled. Now we are going to upload it. So click onto the upload. So again uploading will take little more time. So you can see it here, process has been started. So when you will get at this particular location to 100%, then total program has been transferred to the MCU module. So data has been uploaded. Now after this, you comes to here to find what is the IP address. So you can see it carefully. This the baud rate is 11,500 200, which is similar, which is same as to this serial begin. So this and this should be the same. Now after this we reset the pin. So once you reset the pin, it will say it is connecting to Manish, which is my Wi-Fi name. Wi-Fi has been connected. Now you will get here the addresses, the internet addresses. So this is my internet address, http 192.168.43.198. So this will be different for all the different NodeMCU. So you copy this, either you write this on your mobile phone or into your desktop itself. So my device is connected to the Wi-Fi. Now I am copied it. So you copy it and paste it. So when you paste it, see here. So you will get this particular information. So my LED is on. You can see it here. So just I am making big screen. So you can see how everything here. So when I am going to put LED off, so you can see LED has been off. When I am going to turn on the LED, LED is on. See, off, on. By this way we can remotely control the LED. So you can replace the LED, you can put a relay, and from the relay you can connect your fan or bulb or TV, anything you can connect it there, and remotely you can control, you can make it switch it on, off the devices. Now rest of the program I am giving into the description block. Thank you.